I will say I have to agree with Jason with regards to education, but I think education, it's not so much the amount of education we're doing, but it's the quality of education that we're providing. We need to recognize here in the United States that, health literacy is only at a fifth grade level. And for me in Mexico, it's even less than a fifth grade level. Sometimes it's, a third grade level. So it's, not only, yeah, we're doing education and we're doing it for the masses. However, like, what are we saying? What are we
Yeah.
saying to build that trust, to let them know that clinical research is a care option that should be offered to everybody? That's a very important part of equity in clinical research. And so I agree. And I like Jason's approach around education, but it's not just, who we're educating, but it's what are we educating them with? What are our messages to continue to build that trust? And then I will also say it's not only education of possible participants, but it's educating the general medical community that your site is in, because not everybody has experience in clinical research and not everybody understands it. I
Yeah.
mean, I went for 5 years to nursing school. I had one small piece of my nursing school that was centered around clinical research. So I think it's really important, if we think of clinical research as a care option, the CRACO model, that we need to do a better job not only educating our potential participants, but we need to do a better job educating the medical community in general.